PlayStation.
Hello and welcome to PlayStation Friday. Happy New Year, and we are playing
Explosions, the game. Also the game where you can make that reporter's chest get bigger.
Yeah.
Through Easter egg they put in. Because
if you don't know what we're talking about, good for you.
Look it up, you'll find it. Not at work. Or at work. Ow. Yeah, I deserve that.
Ratchet and Clank. That's the real name of the game. If you can't read.
Or blind, you're being ableist.
If you're blind, why are you watching a Let's Play?
Maybe they're hearing the Let's Play.
That would be boring.
Line step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology.
How do you mistakenly make a robot that is so much smaller than those?
Was it actually a mistake? Don't you know that?
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Somehow he put that thing inside his chest. And be able to fly that ship.
And those guys are just ready to take off after him. Because it's an advantage of robot employees. They don't need time to, you know, sleep. Alexa, start 15-minute timer.
Second timer, 15 minutes, starting now. You want to name this time?
No!
Oh, I was gonna name him Frederick. That's right.
Okay, so now we're just finding Clank.
Wait, is this one of those games that we're gonna barely die in?
Probably, actually. Alexa, clear timers!
15-minute timers on this device. A 15-minute timer with about 14 minutes and 32 seconds left, and a 15-minute timer with about 14 minutes and 56 seconds left. Which one do you want to answer?
Both! Both!
15-minute timers on this device. A 15-minute timer with about 14 minutes and 32 seconds left, and a 15-minute timer with about 14 minutes and 56 seconds left.
We'll be right back. Okay, we're back.
Fucking machine. The only good machine I know is Marvis. And that's because he punches things.
Okay, one moment.
Makes sense. Sounds legit.
Yeah, way more reliable than Green Eco. as I said, just let it cold too. Yeah, Ratchet and Clank, yeah. For those of you who don't know, the Ratchet and Clank was the Jack and Dexter death battle, or think that Jack should have won. They didn't even use like 1/100th of Ratchet's arsenal in that fight.
Not even when it comes to the big guns.
They didn't even use the newest version of the Rhino.
Are we talking about the one that's a mech suit, or another one?
By the time that thing came out, I think it was the next one. I gotta have that for now. They ran away!
This one could lure you into a tougher fight. The enemies in this game are actually sometimes pretty smart. Granted, it's not because they're actually smart, but because the programmers made these moments where they'll do something that's more intelligent. You might want to get everything. Remember, you leave the planet almost immediately.
Yeah, I don't think you can come back to your planet.
Not to the end of the game.
Do anything else?
Nope, not unless it's on the opposite end.
Cool, a robot! He's mine!
Oh, you forgot to raid your own house.
Forgot about that.
Interesting. You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race of the block has a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drake, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you, you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
People on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
And then your ship explodes as soon as you reach it.
Because evil.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
You know, somehow you still don't see Quark's the one that comes on you right away.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Oh, right.
Despite the fact it's pretty
By
obvious.
the way, you can stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
Dick move on Clank's part there.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you beauty.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! It's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
He really is a good villain.
Yeah. And boom. And that's how the game ends, folks.
Oh. Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that.
You're gonna have to restart the
Well,
timer.
we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we
10
can procure a
seconds.
ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Alexa, restart timer.
Resetting now. 30-second timer. Restarting now.
Activate Gadgeton Vendors. Triangle.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Oh, there's our money.
This is where we first meet the plumber, if I'm correct, who somehow remained a staple in all of the games.
Indeed. Doesn't he also appear on every planet in this game?
I don't know, I think he only appears here. Maybe in one or two other planets.
And up. This game isn't as sensitive when it comes to jumping as a few others I'm used to.
We can't cover it all yet.
Where's my weapon?
You don't like it, you can form a line behind me and kiss my... Wait, we're still on? I'll turn it off, you idiot!
That was a good line. Oh, come on. That's just unfair. I won't comment on the clock. Won't comment on the clock. Ah! Sorry, almost lost my sanity there.
You want help?
No, I am good.
Because if we don't finish this before the timer runs out, I am going to be very disappointed in you.
There we go. Oh, missed one. Dare shoot me until I get close. Be pissed. Game and its cliffs.
Not really any even cliffs that are killing you. It's not really cliffs. I mean, they're not bottomless.
Okay, this isn't going to send me back to the beginning.
It might.
No, I checked. I was just checking if there was anything else though. I'm now paranoid of all water.
Oh, that's good, because later in the game you have that flooding thing, you know?
Oh, and the fish of death.
Swallowing the whole
Just like in,
Jack and Deck stuff.
yeah, except they're actual fish and not sharks. Unlike Jack and Dexter.
Well, Jack and Dexter, they're like shark or something.
Don't they have an actual name they go by?
Yeah, I forgot what they call it.
Anything over here? Or is this just, meant to look like, meant to give the sense that this place actually does some function? Beyond allowing you to, platform.
Thank you at the end.
Yep.
And blast it!
Look, plumber's crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look, the plumber's back.
Alright, wise guy. Shouldn't you be on one of them escape transports?
Escape transports.
Newsflash, giant robots attacking! The escape transports are taking all the rich folks off this goddamn planet.
So why aren't you on one?
Socioeconomic disparity.
What?
He hasn't got enough bolts.
Working people have to wait for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got this thing, shows two weirdos ditching their ship. It's got coordinates to a desert planet, too.
An infobot. Ratchet, we could use that.
Only 500.
Geronimo!
Slide down a sewer pipe?
Yes, it's all you soon.
Mayday, mayday! This is the solar ship Radical. We seem to be under attack from the planet's surface.
Relax, kid. It looks like some sort of fireworks display. Probably in your honor.
Oh, that was close. Ah!
Right down, I can't concentrate.
Well, we've been hit.
An unexpected detour. When we land, I'll see if I can scare up an exhibition for
We're
you.
not gonna live that long.
Kid, let's hamstring.
Attack! Attack!
Did you see that guy on the left? That's Skid McMarks.
Does he know Captain Quark?
I doubt it. He's a pro hub reporter, always going off about how cool he is.
Looks like he's in trouble.
I'll say, I've never seen him look so freaked out.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. Now that you have the infobot for planet Iridia, you'll need to find a ship to get there. To enter look around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Yeah, now we can hear it. Okay.
Now to go down that pipe. Let's see. And with 2 minutes to spare.
Still don't have enough to buy that gun now.
Barely. Ooh, what's back here?
I think you need a new device to get there and go back here.
We'll see. Yeah, I think you're right.
This needs a hacker.
No, I was thinking swimming device.
Oh, wait, no.
Press the square button to dive and the X button to rise. Push the X button harder to rise and pressure.
Seriously. Alexa! Stop timer!
We're playing a game of beat to death.
Okay, I think that's all for this week, folks. As soon as the bazooka stops.
I'm having so much fun. Okay, here's where you would need these. Thing.
I think we might not need it. But anyway, we'll
Now,
stop.
you know how to, yeah.
I guess we'll keep going until...
You know, I either die or I complete this next part. Let's see what's down here. Nothing. Again, just there to add to the atmosphere, I guess. Wonder what's here, though.
I forget. Maybe just a gold bow.
Oh yeah, I forgot that was a big thing.
And in this game, you use them to buy gold weapons.
Wait, what?
In
Gold weapons, okay, what are they?
the upgrades to your normal weapons. Go back. Don't go this way yet. There's a crack in the wall. Please don't break it.
Oh, you weren't wrong.
Okay, now something getting a lot of money.
Our oxygen bar is still there.
Yeah, it thinks that the game wasn't designed for widescreen, so it doesn't know how to make it disappear. But
Indeed.
and you're back.
Yep. Well, that'll be all, folks, right after we,
And then that's literally all there was.
Yep, a gold bolt.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Anyway, that's all for this week, folks. Bye.